Welcome, welcome everyone. How are you? Hope all is well. Wow, I'm sitting outside under this beautiful tree and the wind is picking up about the time I sit down here. It's amazing. I thought I'd play for us tonight just to settle us down a little bit, huh? Help us to relax a little, bring us into the present moment. You know how important it is to come into the present moment? Because you know where we are when we're not in the present? We're in the past. Or the future. The past that's already gone. Or the future which hasn't come yet. Wow. It's very freeing right here. Right here in the present. And I'm all about freedom. I love my freedom. Freedom to love. Freedom to just be. Freedom to pick up and go anytime I want to. Freedom to cry if I feel like I need to. Freedom to dance, even if anyone's looking, especially if they're looking. Freedom to laugh. Freedom to live. Freedom to travel. We are the bird and we are the cage. Are you the bird in the cage? Or are you the bird sitting on the cage? Oh, yeah. Woo. Freedom to create. We are creators. Freedom to dream. Freedom to imagine. Freedom to have fun. Give yourself permission to have fun. And laugh more. Oh gosh, we've got to laugh more. Because you know, laughter is your medicine. If we did more laughing, we wouldn't need as much medication, right? Or doctor visits. Do you have the freedom? Do you give yourself permission to be free? Believe in yourself. Imagine more. Imagining is not just for children. take a deep breath and come into this present moment. Be here now. Be here now. Give yourself permission to love. Allow yourself to love. Love each other. Love yourself. Love the God within you being expressed through this body. Oh gosh. Yes. So beautiful. Yes. Create from this present moment. Dream from this present moment. If we don't create from the present moment, what we'll do is create our future from the past memories. That's how we stay in the vicious cycles. So create from the present. You're in a new relationship, be present. We don't have to remember what the last relationship did to us. Be present. Create here from this space. Create your future from here. Decide to be happy, joyful. Not after we get something or do something or go somewhere, but to be joyful now. Oh. I love you all so much, so much. I wish you so much good in your life. You hear the wind blowing these strings. Thank you for being present here. Thank you. Oh, if it's only for a moment, if it's only for 3 minutes, only for 5 minutes that you're present each day, do that for yourself. Do that for yourself. Yes. Yes. Open your heart and love. Open your heart and just be. Open your heart and be free. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't take any effort just to be. Just to be. May you open your heart tonight. Feel yourself with love. You are love. Be love. Just be love. be. Be love. Be love. Yes. Be love. It's so easy. Oh, we'll see you next time. I love you so much.